Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis and want to get things updated here as we head into the weekend. And the first thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning to try to keep this as clean as possible. From a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So like I said, I'm just going to delete those levels out. Yes, they do pertain, but for those reasons, like I said, of not wanting to create a bunch of clutter, I'm just going to try to keep this as clean as possible and really apply the KISS method here. Keep it simple, stupid. And the KISS method going into next week is really all about these two lines right here, which I've talked about before. But now after today's price movement and seeing how things behaved, especially during that opening 30 minutes right here, that first 30 minutes, you can see there was a big surge to the upside. But surprise, surprise, look right where it got rejected again at that red line, which I've talked about in past videos. So my point here is just that confirmation that this area right up here around $10.90 is certainly going to be that key level of resistance to watch moving forward. Or in pattern perspective, this is definitely a sideways channel that's forming. So the top of the channel would just be up there again at the $10.90 mark as a resistance. Now, as far as the bottom of the channel and support, that is where we come down here to this area and the green line down here at $9.95. So $9.95, you can see, did a great job of supporting the price back earlier on in the week. And although the price is somewhat close to it, that is certainly going to be the level that you're going to want to watch if there is any sort of bigger, movements back to the downside. And then from more so the overarching standpoint, which is not relevant right now. So just kind of, mentioning in a broad way, but you also have that pink line right there, which is a nice strong upward slope to it. That pink line on my chart represents the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. So good to see that all this pullback action is still occurring within the context of an upsloping 200 period moving average. But nonetheless, those are going to be the main technical levels to watch moving forward. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.